Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Delights. Today we are making a simple yet delicious dish, pesto potatoes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest recipes. To make the pesto, let's start with some fresh curly parsley. This is optional. Add double the amount of fresh basil to that. Next, some garlic cloves. About 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, some salt, and this is regular cheese, processed cheese, but if you're a vegan you can skip it or you just use any plant-based cheese, some cashews, some vinegar or lemon juice, and a little water to help it grind. Grind this gradually by pulsing it until it's grainy but a smooth paste. In a flat pan, let's add some olive oil. Now take the boiled potato, lightly press it down and put the flat side down into the pan. Keep the skin on because that's gonna get nice and crispy, and do the same with all of them. If you don't have baby potatoes, just cut up some regular potatoes into large pieces and cook them in a pressure cooker or boiling water. Flip them after 3 or 4 minutes and make sure they are golden on both sides. Now let's add some salt and some pepper. Give it a toss. And I'm going to add the chopped garlic. Now we're going to toss this on a medium-high flame until the garlic is golden. The potatoes are going to go even more crispy. Add the creamy pesto from before and turn the heat off so that the fresh green color does not turn black. Now this is about a couple of tablespoons. Let's mix it through, and we can adjust the salt at this point if needed. You can even roast the potatoes in the oven. Just add the oil, the garlic and the seasonings to the potatoes. Give it a toss and bake it at 180 degrees till cooked and crispy. Now this looks ready. Let's serve it. Just sprinkle some grated cheese of choice over and serve. Now this is a great side dish and can be served with roasted chicken, pastas and so many more things. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. See you next time with another recipe.